Yo guys, so I just opened up Roblox, and if you saw my last short, you know that I tested the playtime lock. Let's join one of my friends. I just opened Raw Garden. Let's see if that playtime lock is actually real or fake. In the last series, last video, you saw that I was getting a bunch of roses from the event seed pack, and that was when I was playing 75 minutes, which is considered 100% in playtime lock. So I just joined this brand new game. I joined my friend. Let's see. Let's grab my seed packs and open them on spot. Let's see if it's any better from the last video. Rose. Okay, a rose. Lilac. Foxglove. Rose again. Rose. Foxglove. Last three. Lilac, okay. This is another rose, oh my god. Last seed pack. Let it be lucky. Another rose. That's much worse from the last video, I think. Now let's open up these eggs. Legendary first. See? Oh. What? How did that happen? Next, a cow. Pretty common. Next, let's open up the bee egg. Wait, no, the bug egg. A snail, definitely the most common. Finally, the bug egg.